So it's time to get our hands dirty. But before jumping into code, let me show you what you'll be building. This is the one-to-one BD conference app, and the first thing we will do is enter a room name and then click go. I have two browsers open just so you can see how these can communicate. This one is Firefox and this one is Google Chrome. So the first thing we will do is to enter a room name and then click go. We're going to allow the access to the media devices. And then we're going to do the same in the other browser. We're also going to accept the permissions. And there you have it. Now let's see what's happening under the hood. When the user 1 joins the call, it sends a message to the signaling server, which in turn creates a new room. A room is where communication happens. Think of it as the wire that connects the participants in a call. A replication will be composed by multiple rooms, where each room will host a different call. User 1 has specified the room by typing its name. If such room doesn't exist, then it is created and user 1 receives a notification. User 1 then gets his media devices using the API, then sets himself as the caller. When user 2 joins an existing room, same as with user 1, it gets notified and gets access to these media devices, but also sends a ready message to the signaling server, which will transmit such message to user 1. At this point, both users create a peer connection object and a data channel, and then the signaling begins. User 1 creates an offer, sends it to user 2 through the signaling server, uses to process the offer, and then creates an answer. Then it sends such answer back to user 1, who also processes it. At the same time, both peers exchange ICE candidates in a similar fashion. User 1 gets an ICE candidate, sends them to the other user, who processes it. Then when he gets his own ICE candidate, he sends them back to user 1, who also processes it. After this exchange, both peers know where to find each other and are now able to initiate the call. Okay, let's jump in with this example. When you're ready, move to the next lesson.